All right, shout out my dude. Picked up this one, this top two-piece with the 3D Versace face. Also got this one, which is the 8 top, 8 bottom sterling silver snowflake joint, man. Y'all know, anybody that knows my channels knows that snowflake is one of my favorite. And here's why. Sorry, y'all, to scratch my eye, but here's why. It's just beautiful, man. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece. 8 top, 8 bottom right now is running about 600 bucks in these. If you want these in gold, you're probably running closer to 1100. But these is diamond dust mixed with deep cuts, man. Give you that beautiful sheen, that beautiful shine, man. What we call the ultimate chi when it comes to grills, man. These things is beautiful and will have your teeth looking so saucy. We make the teeth like your teeth. So if you want to see how to go grills, you'll be able to tell the difference because our teeth look exactly like your teeth. That's what a lot of people come in telling us, man, like, man, that stuff actually looks like my teeth. So I appreciate you guys for all the love and support, man. It's been crazy. We are so busy, y'all. And thanks to you. We appreciate everybody for all the positive love and support. Thank you guys for tapping into the channel, showing us some love and support. Hope you guys having a blessed week, guys. Stay positive, stay blessed. 100.